Yay, new fabrics. So a new trend, it's not a new trend, it is a trend. A trend for this fall is rust. So we have these new fabrics starting to come in, and they're fall. They're this rust, and it's beautiful. And pair it with black, you can pair it with different colors, but I wanted to show you these. They're beautiful. These are all from either France or Italy. They're just really lovely. This is a viscose poly blend. It is a woven. And you can see it's just a great print. These are so great for just making lightweight dresses, lightweight blouses, pants even. This is 100% viscose. Again, woven. These are woven. These two are woven. Love it. And you can see I put these together because you can really mix the prints. They go well together. They're really nice. This is 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. Great drape. Beautiful drape. Beautiful piece. And such a different color. I just love it. And these are all $9.99 for today and tomorrow. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Again, knit, stretch in both directions. It's lovely. This is a black. I put this in simply because we need a base to go with. This is like a denim. Typically, by definition, denim has to have one white thread. It does not. They're both black, but it's like a twill, and it's really nice. It's got a great hand. Great either jacket or bottom weight fabric. It has stretch in one direction. It's a stretch woven. Very pretty. And then I love this. Oh my God, I love this. It'd be so pretty just like in a little tank dress, or you can either put it on the bias. It's just such a beautiful. This is 100% poly. You'd never know by feeling it. It's so lightweight. It has great drape, great hand. Just so rich looking. I just love it. So there's our little rust collection. And it's not rust, it's supposed to be called caramel. Our caramel collection for starting into the fall. We're starting to get those fabrics. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.